Sumarry here. Today I'm going to answer an audience question about how the dominion.games rating system works, and in particular, what do all these Greek letters mean? So many of you, if you've played any competitive video game, board game, or even 1v1 sports, probably know how ELO systems work, where players are assigned ratings, and then those ratings give a basis for how many expected wins you get, and then the difference between your actual wins and the expected wins gives you a change in rating, and so forth. So Glicko systems work generally the same way as ELO systems, but they are a little bit more sophisticated. So the first variable to know about is mu, where I'm a 1.578. Mu is the closest approximation to an ELO rating. It basically just captures what is the skill level or expected skill level of a player. But Glicko systems, unlike ELO systems, also have this phi, where I'm a 0.2547. And phi is the rating deviation, or sort of a measure of how wide is the confidence interval around my mu, my expected skill level. So new players, when they start out, have a very high phi, because the system has no idea how accurate their estimate of the rating is, and as you play more and more games, phi will drop over time. And level here is a function of both mu and phi, where it's trying to give a lower boundary of what your real skill level might be. So this is positively correlated with mu and negatively correlated with phi. As you play more games and the confidence interval tightens and narrows around your mu, your level will go up. So for a quick example, let's compare myself, Jerry, to a player a little bit below me, Sounder. So as you can see, my level is a touch higher, 0.14 higher, but Sounder actually has a higher mu. He's a 1.62, I'm a 1.58. And this can be explained by the fact that Sounder has a higher phi value. The site is less confident in his true level, so the lower bounds on what his real level might be is going to be lower than the lower bounds on my level. That is the core of how Glicko systems work. Glicko-2 also has this last sigma variable, which is not particularly important. It's a measure of how quickly the site expects my mu to change, and it's pretty similar across all players. It's very close to 0.33 and isn't too important, frankly. So that's all. Hopefully that gives you a sense of how the system works, and I will be back soon to play some more games.